Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are you guys doing today? So it's a rainy Thursday morning in the NYC area. It's kind of chilly, but it's bearable. That's why I'm not wearing any sweater or anything. But today's day 1 of 4, and we have a long day. It's 10 something and we don't finish until after 9 tonight, so a very long day today, guys. I am extremely tired. I came home Monday, and I've just been working at home. As soon as I got home, I went to the laundry, then I came home, and I came home back. The next day I had an appointment. I had to grocery shop, I had to cook, and I had to clean. And then yesterday I had to cook again for my trip, and then clean up and iron. I'm extremely tired. This is why when I bid, I like to have 3 days off in between, so that I don't feel as tired when I go back to work. I feel like you need 3 days off in between a trip, because when you go home, you have so much work to get done, Anyways, nonetheless, I'm not complaining. I'm very grateful. Just to put that out there. So I see that a lot of people have been watching my channel and you're not subscribing. Like, what's going on? Like, like, why aren't you subscribing to my channel? I need my channel to be matching up. I need my channel subscribers to be matching up with the views that I've been getting on these travel trips. Okay, I need it to match up. As you guys know, I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers by the end of this year. Hopefully I could get there, or for my birthday. My birthday is in January 28th, so hopefully by then. Okay, I think my gate is at B51 today. I need to run to the crew room because the screen protector on my work phone is a little cracked, so I want to change it. Hopefully the guy that does that in the office is actually there. So yes, come along with me on this trip, and I hope you're having a good day so far. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and enjoy my content. See you in a few, guys.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Guys, so just made it to Detroit. I'm gonna check to see if Loxton is actually open because I need some hand lotion. I didn't even realize that we had a sit now, and then we do a quick turn and then we have another sit, so I guess that's why we finished like 9 something today. So hopefully they're open. Yes, they are. Hi, how are you? Do we get discounts in here?
10%.
Okay, thank you.
Sets, same thing.
Okay.
Just depends. As long as you're in my system. If not, I have to put you in.
Okay.
Are you looking for anything in particular?
I'm just looking for a specific hand. Okay guys, so I got the lotion that I want. I got the rose. I do like the rose in the original one. It makes your hands feel so nice. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab something to eat. I think my head is hurting me a little bit, and I wanted to talk to you guys about something. So lately I've been trying to upload videos on YouTube, and it seems to be when it reached to a certain point, it stops uploading. And I've tried everything, and it seems to be an issue every week. Last night I was uploading a video because I'm working Sunday and I don't get in until late, so I need my my videos to post on Sundays at 4 p.m. you know, so I could stay consistent. And it stopped at 96% and it's still there, so I had to bring my laptop with me so that how are you? I had to bring my laptop with me so that I could upload my video, and I hope that it works. I'm gonna have to delete it again, go through my video on iMovie and see if there's any issue, and then re-upload it to my computer, and then upload it to YouTube. Like, I have no idea what the issue is. I've tried everything. I've reached out to YouTube and nobody got back to me. Nobody. And I've even reached out to them on Instagram. I've emailed them, everything. Reached out to them on Instagram and there were no help. So I'm not sure what to do, and I need to stay consistent. It's just a little annoying, you know. But anyways, gonna grab something to eat now and then get on with this day. So guys, on the aircraft going to do a Cleveland going to do a Cleveland turn, and it's 27 minutes to go, and it's a short flight. And then we have another seat when we get back, and then we go to Indy, and I don't think that's a long flight as well. And anyways, I was sitting in a terminal, and somebody had on a unicorn outfit. I will link it somewhere here, and they were just walking through the terminal. It was so funny and cute. Thought I'd share. But guys, I'm ready to go to bed. I'm so tired, and there's some work that I have to do online for hair. We have some online courses that we have to do, and I need to start them, and I need to try and upload one of my videos that I was telling you guys about. By the way, there's no one around me on the plane, but I need to try and upload this other vlog, and I need to bid for my schedule for next month. So 3 things I have to just do: start the courses that I have, bid for next month, and upload a YouTube video. Guys, do you see how much my skin is breaking out? Like, I was looking at myself yesterday, I was looking at videos of myself, and my face looks so much better than it does now. I don't know what's going on. So when we get our schedule on Monday, I'm going to see what days off I have and try and see if I could find a dermatologist to get this sorted out. Hopefully my face could look better by my birthday, because I'm not used to my skin like this. My friends were recommended Cetaphil, and I was using it for a while. For the first 2 weeks it was working, but I guess my skin got used to it already, because now if you look closely, my face is breaking out like crazy. and I'm not, it may be the mask or something, because I don't know what's going on, and it's leaving dark spot in my skin, and I even have these dark spot under my eyes. I've never had these issues before, so I'm gonna try and see if I could see a dermatologist to see what's going on, if it's the air or if it's a thing that they're spraying to disinfect the aircraft. I don't know. But then I started breaking out before they were spraying the stuff in here, so I'm not sure. So anyways, enough of me rambling. So waiting for this flight to board. I'm so tired and I cannot wait to get to my hotel. So I'll see you guys in a few.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Good morning, everybody. It's the next day, so today's day 2 of 4. I didn't even get to vlog yesterday when I got in because I was tired, and as I told you guys, I had issues uploading my stuff to YouTube. So I did that last night. Yay. So there will be a new video. It's like things to do in Portland, Jamaica, and I need for you to go check it out. Okay, go watch my vlogs. So now we have a long day today, and I need to run downstairs now. I like to be downstairs in like 10 minutes prior, just in case of anything, because I remember when I first started and I used to go down, say our report time or van time was 11, and I remember I went at 12. No, say our report time is 12, and I went down at 11:58, and the van was full. And they were about to leave me, and the pilot was like, no, you're not leaving her, da, da, da. So from that, I make sure my butt is downstairs 10 minutes prior. So everything in the room. Oh, let me take the key up, because I like to bring the key downstairs. Let me put my mask on. Okay, so everything in the room looks good. And see if I have my mask on correctly. I don't know, there's 2 white parts. Anyways, so we have a long day today. We don't finish until like 10 something New York time, which is 9 something here in where we're going, I believe. Yeah, I don't know, in this hotel I like to be on the 3rd floor, because the ceilings are so thin, and when somebody's doing something, you legit hear everything they're doing, and I don't like that. Guys, this mask on and walking is a lot. Hey guys, so on the aircraft, and it's a pretty we're at our capacity flying today. We're going to Minneapolis, and just finished my cleaning, and I'm gonna finish setting up these for when the passengers come on board. Yeah, so hopefully we get into Minneapolis early, because I need to get something to eat. Yeah, I didn't get up this morning early to get breakfast because I was so tired. But I'll see you guys in a few. It is freezing. Tell me why I looked at my jacket and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna need my jacket. Big mistake. Luckily, I brought my sweater with me, but on the aircraft just now, our galley heater was broken. So I'm working up front. So we have a heater up there, but it's not working. So my toes was freezing like crazy. And we came in 20 minutes early, but there was a plane parked at our gate, and there's a plane parked at our gate. There wasn't even boarded or anything, so we ended up being late. So it's unfortunate because one passenger stormed off. She was so mad, she was crying. I think she may have missed her flight. So yeah, anyways, my eyes looks a little red, or maybe it's in my head, but one more flight left. It's like a 20-minute flight to Rochester, Minnesota, so we should be there in no time. So let me go back to this gate. I just had to buy some meds, Zyrtec, because I used to take what is it called? I forgot the other one, but it seemed like my body got used to it. But anyways, I break out in hives and I need to take this ASAP because my skin was breaking out. Jesus. Guys, just got in my hotel room. When I say outside is cold, oh my god. Oh my god. You know Minnesota, well, Minnesota is, I don't know, it's a different type of cold. And me, with my smart self, looked at my jacket and I was like, nah, I don't need my jacket, you know? And the weather was like, oh yeah, that's how you want to roll without a jacket? All right, I'm gonna teach you a lesson. I'm so mad. And plus, this hotel is by a Target and I can't even get to go because I forgot my jacket. I only have my sweater and I'm not trying to go out and get sick. So let me see. I'm trying to put the tag on the door. Hold on. So yeah, put the tag on the door. I'm gonna take a nice hot shower, get warmed and snuggled up, and I have a few assignments I need to get done. And I'm gonna finish bid. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Wait, but I'll show you guys here already, but this is my room. Mirror. That's my quick room tour. I see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day and I'm up early. It's currently 8 something. And I'm gonna run downstairs to get some breakfast and then I'm gonna head on over to the Target. I have my sweater, so I'm gonna wear my robe. Throw my robe, my bedrobe over this so I could stay warm. And I think I'm gonna take you guys along with me because, you know, and end the vlog. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, don't kill me, but I went to Target and I forgot to vlog. Listen me out. So you know when you go in Target, especially me, you get so deep in everything trying to see what they have. So for the past couple of months, I've been looking for Lysol spray every single where, right? And I'm in Minnesota and I finally found it. I completely forgot to vlog, guys. When I got back in the van, the hotel van, I'm like, oh snap. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got the Lysol spray, and I made sure I called my friend because she was looking for some as well, and I got a sheet. I was looking for this sheet, this gray sheet. They have another one for $69, which I want to get, but that's when I have more money. And I got like little like groceries, just a little bit. They even had the big Clorox wipes and stuff. And I got some stuff for my face. So I got some I think some witch hazel for my face, because I'm gonna try it out to see if it works, because I've been using let me see what I've been using. The CeraVe, no, the Cetaphil. This is what I've been using, these, and the moisturizer, and the blackhead soap, St. Ives. Oh, and they have these at Target too, but I have a bunch at home, and I've been using this to moisturize, and for some reason it spilled and everything, more than half of it got away. I went in there and I forgot to look for this, but this, it helps with the moisturization. But I'm gonna put these down for a while because they're not working for my face, and I don't know how these is gonna work, but I break out in hives. So I got some Zyrtec because I was using another one, but it wasn't working for me. And I got some plugins for the home, and these are what I got. The Acne Deep Pore Cleansing Wash, and I'm trying to see if it's gonna work for my face. And then I got the blemish clearing, this one, the witch hazel, and then I got the moisturizing one, if I could find it. Hold on. So I just realized that I forgot to buy the face moisturizing one, so I'm gonna have to try and go back to get it. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot it. But I'm gonna get it when I go back to New York. Hopefully they have it, because for some reason you can't find much in the New York Target unless I go out in Long Island to get it, in the one in Queens actually, unless I go out in Long Island. But anyways, I'm gonna pack these stuff away and have some breakfast and then chill for the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in a few. All ready for work, guys. So we go from Rochester, Minnesota to Minneapolis, and then we have a beautiful 3-hour and 14-minute sit in Minneapolis, and then we go to Newark. So that's it for today. I think I'll close out the vlog when I get where I need to get, and I'll see you guys in a few, alright? Hey guys, so quick change of plan. We were supposed to be layover. We're supposed to have a layover in Newark, but being that, well, the pilot switched, because what we would have done is stay the night in Newark, and then tomorrow we would deadhead from Newark to JFK and start a trip. So the pilot's called and said, why not just let her deadhead in tonight, like take the car up tonight and then do our labor and then go to our trip. And crew schedule said yes, so that's what we're doing. And yeah, I'm glad I get to go home. Hey guys, so it's the next day, so I have to catch you guys up. So what happened was, we were supposed to overnight in Newark yesterday, but the pilots didn't want to stay in Newark, so we would have had to deadhead from Newark to JFK in the morning and do our flight. So instead they wanted to stay in New York in JFK at the hotel and then start the trip. So they called crew schedule and let them know, and they did just that for us as well, the flight attendants. So I went home last night, and now I am back to JFK. I have a Chicago turn to do. Let's see, B53.
Attention passengers that just arrived from Detroit at gate B48. If you left a teal colored pink tag bag, please report back to gate B48 to claim it. Once again,
I wanted to tell you guys, yesterday when I came into JFK last night, they actually had they had a lot of flights going out. They had flights going out at 2 something a.m. because we got back to JFK from Newark close to 1 a.m. And when I look at the board, well, the airport was packed last night. There was a 1 something a.m. flight, there was a 2 something and a 3 something a.m. flight. So they have flights going out, which is good. I like that.